I purchased 2 of these beds. The assembly was pretty easy, however, since there were 2 and I put them together alone, it took me about 5 hours to finish setting them up for my girls to use. The space is not that big, so my biggest concern was would both beds fit, and I must say, I was super satisfied. I actually gained additional space. The room went from one that previously had 1 daybed trundle to 3 beds. I used the old trundle underneath for a 3rd bed. I also took the advice from other reviews and added a cut up pool noodle to the ladder, comfy feet, and raised the bed by using 6 2-inch bed risers for a bit more headroom underneath. Love, love, love. We bought 2 for our girls, and assembly was done in under 4 hours total, and most of it was done alone. These are sturdy and super cute. I didn't want to buy the overpriced curtains for the underneath, so I made my own with a pressure tension rod, and it works perfectly. Very cool bed. Instructions were very clear and easy to follow. Each part was labeled with a letter so there was no confusion whatsoever. Also, the whole thing is put together with an Allen wrench, hex key, which is included. I put it together myself in about 2 hours. The only reason I'm not giving it 5 stars is because there were a lot of pieces and it is a very putsy bed to put together. Also, I'd rather have the one tool to use be a screwdriver. I hate those Allen wrenches. LOL. Otherwise, it's great. My daughter is 7 and loves it. She thinks her little hangout underneath is super cool. I'm thinking of getting a tension rod for underneath and hanging fabric from it to make it like a little hideout. Check out the pic. I bought this as a space saver for my 7-year-old son's room. I love it and he loves it. The instructions are wrong but it's pretty easy to figure this thing out. With 2 people we had this up and ready in less than an hour. It's great for small rooms.